Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here for Take 2, a 2-minute video on the product Booster. Booster is a non-synthetic whole food vitamin supplement that has antimicrobial activity. It may be used safely and effectively in birds, cats, dogs, exotic animals, and zoo animals. Booster is a blend of certified organic red palm fruit oil and a patented purified monolaurin. Monolaurin is a combination of lauric acid and glycerol. By combining the lauric acid and glycerol, it results in an emollient. In other words, it has moisturizing properties, and it is completely non-toxic and non-irritating. Booster should be used as directed by your veterinarian. However, it is effective in animals suffering from recurring upper respiratory infections, animals that have allergies or any microbial disorder, and in animals that have been treated with antibiotics. Also, Booster has been reported to help sick, weak, or immune-compromised animals. It also benefits animals with skin disorders such as self-mutilation, lip granulomas, or feather-picking disorders. The dosage for Booster is based on the weight of the animal. For little critters weighing less than 1 pound, the bottle is taken and placed in hot water to liquefy the product. It is then given at 0.02 to 0.06 ml per 100 grams of body weight. In other words, for the little animals like hamsters, rats, or rabbits. In dogs and cats, we recommend using the larger jar and giving 1 teaspoon to 3 teaspoons per 50 pounds body weight. Most dogs and cats will lick it right off the spoon. If there is an issue with palatability, it can be given with their favorite treat or food. The results vary based on the type of animal, type of problem that it has, and basically the animal's overall condition. Each individual animal will respond differently. Effects can take weeks, months, or even a year to see. The use of Booster instead of Sunshine Factor is in those cases where there's any kind of medical ailment. Sunshine Factor, which also has red palm fruit oil, is meant for a daily wellness vitamin supplement. Booster, because of its antimicrobial activity, can be used in any animal with any kind of skin or other microbial disorder. Booster can be safely used for months or even years if required. Some animals with a weak immune system may need Booster daily for the rest of their life. Booster should not be mixed with water. It is basically oil-based, and by mixing it with water, it will separate out. If you need to give Booster with something for your pet, use a treat or mix it with the animal's food. The vitamins that are found in Booster are a whole food source of carotenoids, the precursors to vitamin A, including alpha and beta carotene. It also contains 6 of the 8 forms of vitamin E, and it's a rich source of CoQ10. You do not need to worry about toxicosis when you administer Booster to your animal because it's a whole food vitamin supplement. In other words, the body will biochemically choose what it needs and disregard the rest. It will be excreted naturally by the animal's body. You do not need to give Sunshine Factor and Booster at the same time because they both have red palm fruit oil in them. Again, Booster is chosen for an animal that needs the extra antimicrobial activity that is found in it. Hi, my name is Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here for Take 2, a 2-minute instructional video on the product Booster Concentrate. Booster Concentrate is pure distilled monolaurin. It is the antimicrobial agent found in both the products Booster and Soother Plus. Booster Concentrate is used in cases of either acute illness or when an animal is infected by one of the many microorganisms that Booster Concentrate has been proven in laboratories to disinfect or to kill. A list of these viruses and bacteria and other agents is available both online or through your veterinarian. What exactly is Booster Concentrate? Well, it's the purest form of monolaurin available on the market, which is a combination of lauric acid and glycerol, which when together becomes an emollient. In other words, has moisturizing properties so that it's non-erosive and non-toxic when swallowed. There's no fillers and no excipients. You may be able to find monolaurin capsules available on the market as well. These have a lot of inactive ingredients and other fillers that you will not find with Booster Concentrate. Booster Concentrate has been studied since 1966 and has proven to be very effective, safe, and pure. The Booster Concentrate does not come in capsules. It comes in a pelletized form. These tiny little pellets can be swallowed easily by animals and should be swallowed whole. It is 1/2 of a pellet per pound of body weight in an animal. And Booster Concentrate will become highly effective in the animal's body and more concentrate than the heavier monolaurin capsules available on the market. The difference between Booster Concentrate and lauric acid is again that the Booster Concentrate is a combination of lauric acid with glycerol, providing that emollient property to it. Lauric acid alone can be corrosive and should not be swallowed. When you buy something like coconut oil, although there's lauric acid in it, it is not proven to be nearly as antimicrobial as the Booster Concentrate, and we therefore recommend that as a source of monolaurin, you use Booster Concentrate. It isn't actually toxic. There is, however, a known reaction called the HEALx reaction, which is basically when the Booster Concentrate kills off more bacteria in the body and they release toxins than the body is able to handle at that moment in time. The biggest side effect from that would be diarrhea. All you have to do is decrease the amount of Booster Concentrate that you give to the animal for 1 week and then slowly increase enough to ward off the effect of this HEALx effect that is known with Booster Concentrate. Booster Concentrate does not affect the friendly bacteria in the body. Booster Concentrate's results may take days, weeks, or even months to see. In particular, in cases of viral diseases where there is not even any known cures, Booster Concentrate will have to be given for several months. We recommend a good 3 to 6 months before you see the effects of Booster Concentrate. The Booster Concentrate can be taken with other medications or supplements. However, it is always recommended to discuss this with your veterinary professional first. I'm also often asked, does Booster Concentrate affect thyroid or adrenal glands? It is known to indirectly affect the thyroid, and that's why you might see increased energy levels. However, it is not known at this time whether Booster Concentrate affects the adrenals. Thank you. Hi, my name is Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here for take 2 of a 2-minute video on the product Soother Plus. Soother Plus is a non-toxic, topical antimicrobial cream with immediate antipruritic effects. It can be used safely on all animals: dogs, cats, birds, exotics, and zoo animals. The only exception is fish. It can be used anywhere on the body except around the eyes. Soother Plus is a patented monolaurin that's in an aloe vera distillate and a patented quaternary ammonium solution. The use for Soother Plus is basically as directed by your veterinarian. However, it is known to be effective in animals suffering from burns, wounds, cuts, skin granulomas, abscesses, bumblefoot, ulcerative pododermatitis, mange, other dermatitises, inflammation, and prolapses, self-mutilation lesions, and more. The way to use Soother Plus is to apply it topically by putting on a thin layer and gently massaging into the affected area. It is commonly used in excess volume. All it takes is a little bit that is gently massaged into the area and will disappear in no time at all. It can also be inserted into a wound cavity or applied over a suture line. Several treatments a day may be required if the area is painful. However, most often, Soother Plus is effectively used twice daily. Examples of cases where you would need it more often are severe burns or other more major wounds or surgeries. For best results, use it immediately after the injury or the suture line or wound has been discovered. The time frame for results using Soother Plus will vary depending on the animal and the severity of the individual case. Some animals will respond very quickly and show signs of recovery even within minutes. Sometimes it takes hours, or more severe cases may take weeks or even months for complete resolution. When you want to decide between using Soother Spray and Soother Plus, the main question is whether there is a painful situation that needs to be resolved. Soother Spray is very soothing and antipruritic. However, Soother Plus provides the analgesic effect, in other words, controls the pain, because it is a more concentrated form of the quaternary ammonium solution. Furthermore, Soother Plus has the added benefit of a strong antimicrobial activity because of the use of booster concentrate in the formulation of the product. Once you have opened Soother Plus, it is safe for 2 years to use. You may wonder why Soother Plus has a different appearance sometimes. If it's cool, it's white and creamy and thick. When it warms, it becomes more liquid and loses that color. However, it is just as effective whether it is warm or cool. It can be used either way and just has a different appearance. Soother Plus is non-toxic, so if an animal licks it after application, you don't have to worry about it, although contact with eyes should be avoided. We do suggest using the booster product in combination with Soother Plus. Although the booster concentrate is an active ingredient in both the Soother Plus and the booster product, Soother Plus works externally on the skin to soothe and provide antipruritic properties. Booster works from the body inside out and can speed healing and recovery when used as a combination of the oral booster product and the topical Soother Plus cream. I think that's all. Hi, I'm Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here to do Take 2, a 2-minute instructional video on the product Soother Spray. Soother Spray is a quaternary ammonium that is patented with active aloe vera. It's a topical spray that provides soothing, antipruritic, and anti-inflammatory effects. Soother Spray is safely used in all kinds of animals: birds, exotic pets, cats, dogs, zoo animals. The only exception would be fish. Soother Spray can be used anywhere on the body except around the eyes. Soother Spray should be used as directed by your veterinarian. However, it is commonly used for minor ailments such as bug bites, minor cuts and bruises, flea allergies, urine scald, minor burns, can be even used as a reptile soak. When you start using the product, sometimes you can see results within minutes. It may, however, take weeks, even months, to see the optimum results that are desired from Soother Spray. In the cases of feather-picking birds, it can take up to a year to see results. The use of Soother Spray is often recommended in conjunction with the product Booster. The reason for this is that Soother Spray provides hydration, it's soothing, it's anti-inflammatory, however, it does not resolve medical disorders. Booster can be used safely with Soother Spray to increase the speed of healing time and also the effectiveness of both products. This should be discussed with your veterinarian, and if you'd like more information about Booster, you can visit the Take 2 video on Booster. Rain is another product that can be used to help the skin. However, Soother Spray is the recommended choice when there's any sort of medical ailment. Again, your veterinarian will help you to choose which product is better, but Rain is truly designed for a healthy skin, coat, or plumage, whereas Soother Spray is designed for an animal with any kind of medical ailment. The product can be used safely for months, even years. However, because it can build up on the skin or plumage, it is recommended to give a warm water bath every 7 to 10 days when using Soother Spray. It is not recommended to use any other topical modality at the same time as Soother Spray because the safety studies that were done on Soother Spray were done as the product being used by itself. If you use other treatments at the same time as Soother Spray, not only will you confuse the potential cause of the ailment, but you won't know which product is being the most effective treatment. And it's for that reason that we recommend using Soother Spray by itself as a topical modality. Hi, I'm Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here to do Take 2, a 2-minute video discussing the product Rain. What is Rain, you might ask? It is an all-natural, non-toxic, hydrating active aloe vera spray. It can be used safely and effectively on all kinds of animals, birds, dogs, cats, exotic animals, zoo animals. It can be used anywhere except on the eyes. Now, if your animal should get the product in their eyes, it is not actually harmful, but the eye area should always be avoided. So when should you use rain? Basically when directed by your veterinarian. However, it is very effective for dry, flaky skin, especially pets kept indoors during cold winter months. It may be also used safely as a reptile soak, and again, any animal that you just want to add some luster to the skin or feathers. After you start using rain, you can see results within minutes. Sometimes, however, it may take weeks or even months to see the optimum results. If you want to add an instant sheen or gloss to your pet's coat or feathers, keep rain in the fridge and spray it on and you'll instantly see that gloss. When would you want to use rain instead of soother spray? Basically, it's for an animal that has a healthy coat or skin. Animals that have any kind of ailment or disorder may prefer to use soother spray, but again, this is something that you should always discuss with your veterinarian. And rain can be safely used for weeks, months, even years. People often ask what the wetting agent is in rain. Basically, the wetting agent is 1/10,000th of a percent of a mild soap agent. This agent is required so that it can penetrate the skin or preen oils of the animal and allow the active aloe vera ingredient to be effective in hydrating the skin, coat, or feathers. The rain product does not need to be rinsed off. It can be used daily, as I said, for months or years without requiring a rinse. And it is not necessary to use any other topical modalities at the same time as rain. In fact, it is preferred to use it as the sole product to use topically on your animal. Hi, I'm Dr. Renata Schneider, here for Take 2, a 2-minute video on the product Sunshine Factor. Sunshine Factor is a non-synthetic whole food vitamin. It is a supplement that is safe and effective to use for daily wellness in all kinds of animals, dogs, cats, birds, exotics, and zoo animals. Sunshine Factor is a certified organic and kosher certified red palm fruit oil. Sunshine Factor is to be used as directed by your veterinarian. However, it is effective in benefiting the animal's skin, eyes, heart, and the immune system. It contains a good balance of fatty acids and has a high antioxidant content for immune system support. Sunshine Factor is extremely beneficial for burn patients. The dosage for Sunshine Factor is based on the animal's weight. For little critters weighing less than 1 pound, you would take the Sunshine Factor and liquefy it by placing it in warm water. You draw out of the bottle directly and give 0.02 to 0.06 mLs per 100 grams of body weight. In other words, it's really great for your hamsters, rats, or rabbits. When it comes to dogs and cats, you're going to give 1 to 3 teaspoons per 50 pounds of body weight. Oftentimes, the dogs or cats will lick it right off of the spoon. If they don't like the palatability, you can increase the likelihood of their liking Sunshine Factor by mixing it with their favorite treat. As you can see, there's a big range in the dosing of Sunshine Factor, and this is because it's really a case-by-case situation. In animals that you really just want the wellness benefit, or maybe they have some dry or flaky skin, you can use the low end of the dose. For anything a little bit more serious or for stronger results, you would start at the higher end of the dose. It's best to work with your veterinarian to determine which dose is right for your pet. The use of Sunshine Factor is essentially for your overall healthy animal as a boost to their wellness and well-being. The product Booster, which also has red palm fruit oil in it, has an additional product that helps with sick or diseased animals. In other words, Sunshine Factor is used on healthy animals, and Booster is used in animals with any kind of ailment or medical problem. Again, it is always best to discuss this with your veterinarian to choose the appropriate medication. However, as I said, red palm fruit oil is present in both, and giving Sunshine Factor and Booster at the same time is not necessary. Sunshine Factor can be safely used for days, weeks, even for years. The benefits will continue in your animal over time, and some of them thrive for the rest of their life on the product Sunshine Factor. Sunshine Factor should not be mixed in water. It is basically oil-based and does not mix well with water. Therefore, it should be offered daily, either in the food or straight into the animal's mouth, but not mixed in their water. The vitamins that are found in Sunshine Factor are basically a whole food source of carotenoids. In other words, the precursors to vitamin A, alpha-carotene and beta-carotene. It also contains 6 of the 8 forms of vitamin E and provides a rich source of CoQ10. You do not need to worry about toxicosis when you give Sunshine Factor to your pet, because as a whole food vitamin supplement, the body will biochemically choose what it needs and disregard the rest. Sunshine Factor should be stored in a glass container and away from direct sunlight. It can be refrigerated, although refrigeration will not extend the shelf life of Sunshine Factor. It is temperature dependent, so the warmer the temperature, the more liquid it becomes, which is sometimes desired for the administration of a smaller volume. Refrigeration results in a thicker consistency and will be consumed readily by some of your larger animals like dogs and cats. Hi, my name is Dr. Renata Schneider, and I'm here for Take 2, a 2-minute instructional video on the product Bird Builder. Bird Builder is a dietary supplement with a proprietary blend of 52 naturally occurring and essential trace minerals and iodine. Bird Builder is used for any bird that is not on a formulated diet, in other words, a pelleted diet. Any bird that is eating only seeds or a mix of table food and seeds would benefit from Bird Builder. Bird Builder provides all of the trace elements that the bird is lacking in these types of diets. Also, because of the iodine component that helps to fortify thyroid function, it can be used to control appetite and create a normal appetite in your bird. We believe it is important to convert your bird onto a formulated, in other words, pelleted diet, because the leading cause of health problems in birds are related to malnutrition. Bird Builder is given in the drinking water. It comes as a 1-ounce bottle, which is 30 mLs. You pour the whole bottle into 1 gallon of drinking water, which is approximately 4 liters. Once it's mixed together, it is kept in the fridge and uses the bird's sole source of drinking water. The birds will like it because it has no odor, no taste, and no color, and they will drink it readily. We do suggest mixing the Bird Builder with the drinking water because, as opposed to spring water, it is the only one that is FDA regulated. So it is our recommendation to always mix Bird Builder with drinking water. The expiration on Bird Builder is therefore going to be related to the expiration date on the drinking water. So please respect whatever date is put on the drinking water. When you store Bird Builder at home, you're going to want to make sure to keep it either refrigerated or in a dark place. You'll see that it's in a dark bottle. This is to preserve the iodine portion of the product. The benefits of using Bird Builder are many. As we've already discussed, it can aid in the conversion from a seed diet or a table food diet to a pelleted diet. However, it can also improve feather strength, overall appearance, and in some clinical cases, we find that it reduces the incidence of fatty liver disease, fatty tumors, and other obesity problems. It helps to support the body's enzymes, it fortifies the body's function, and promotes an overall healthy immune system. After you start using Bird Builder, you're going to see results very quickly, or it may take a long time. It really depends on the bird and their genetic makeup. Some birds will begin to show improved appetite, appearance, and attitude in as little as a few weeks. Other birds require the addition of Bird Builder to their water for an entire year. If you cannot convert your bird to a formulated or pelleted diet, it is safe to use Bird Builder for the lifetime of the bird. If you can achieve a conversion, at that time you can stop using Bird Builder. For birds that are not on a formulated pelleted diet, Bird Builder will continue to offer all of the benefits that we've discussed, and it will help to improve their overall appearance and well-being. So it is not recommended to discontinue bird builder unless they are on a pelleted or formulated diet.